You're watching Czar Films Variety Channel. Hi there and welcome to today's video. Today we're just going to talk quickly about some rechargeable batteries that we bought off of Amazon. These are the Kastar F-570s or FM-500s. We bought these to use with a Viltrox 5-inch LCD monitor. So what we're going to do is quickly open them, and then we're going to charge them and see how long it takes to charge them. And then we're going to use them and see how long it takes to discharge the power. So piece of plastic charger and a micro USB cabled charging cable. If not, we'll buy the brand name. Let's see if they show the amps. Let's see, 2400 milliamps. So probably not going to last a super long time, but we're going to try it anyway. See if they're worth the price. Always nice to have spares. So we're going to go ahead and charge that and see how long it takes to charge these guys. So we're going to go ahead and plug that in with our USB into an outlet, and both will charge. Plugged in and both will show red while charging. So we're going to see how long it takes to charge these two batteries to the full power. There we go. We're going to see how long it takes to charge. So it looks like we're fully charged at 40 minutes. So once we get our Viltrox DC50 up and running, we're going to throw these batteries on and see how long they can power the unit before they die. Alright, the Kastar batteries lasted for 1 hour and 40 minutes on the Viltrox DC50 monitor. So about an hour and 40 minutes, hour 50 minutes or so is how long it lasted. One battery. So, and this is the Kastar battery. I put a link below. Oh, this is a replacement for the Sony FM-500H. You can use bigger batteries, the old school Sony ones on the back, as long as they're the short scale, to get longer. But we have two of these, so we're always going to keep one charged. So I'd say that's a pretty good value for a rechargeable battery pack. About an hour 40 minutes each one. I'd say go for it. It's great, inexpensive replacement for the brand name batteries. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Please click like, please share, please smash that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.